Damn, that big as shit. Damn, that big.
Leilani, come on. Do it. Wait, not yet. Wait. Oh my god.
So we wasn't really.
Yo, he can't his ass.
Bye.
So can she bring a girl in our relationship?
Nah. This is not a triangle, sir.
But like,
Nah,
think
but I
about
want to
it.
make
Like,
it into a rectangle.
oh, it could be a square. It could be a square. Me, you,
Us-
her. Wait, no, it'd be a rectangle.
Who is me? You? I don't want you.
What?
We can be friends.
Yeah.
Oh,
Damn.
busted your yo.
Great.
Where are you guys from?
We're in Houston right now.
Yeah.
Houston.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
in a party song.
Texas. Oh, we're in California.
What? I just left
Wow.
from Cali. 2 days
Really?
ago. Yeah.
Where were you?
We was.
I was in. Just tell her we joking.
I'm gonna text. I'm gonna text you later.
Yo, I just
Call
got
the
this
white
job
man.
at PetSmart,
Yeah.
and
You already got fired. You tried to take one of the dogs and rape him,
Let me
and
tell
then
you.
you tried to take the
You
girl
supposed
with
to
him.
dig in the rabbit.
You tried to put the dig in. You tried to put the spider in your pee hole.
You fucked her.
You fucked the cat.
You fucked
Banana.
you guys got everything correct.
12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6.
5, 4, 3, 2.
7'6". How old is you with the dreads?
I'm 25.
He. Oh, you're selling. Why would you sell?
Call him right now. Call him. Be like, we just joking.
No, hey, bro, hold on. It's a lot of shit going on right now that I need answered. So why is this nigga sitting with his tongue out? First of all,
Wait.
we got this little Bill ass nigga answering, asking me questions and shit.
Wait.
Then I got this nigga in the back, like, just anonymous as hell, like. And you got on a fake Louis hat. What the fuck?
Man, get up. Sit down.
Fake Valenti too? Bro, what the fuck?
Listen, nigga, get
Fake
up.
Airheads Extremes too?
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Real
bro.
deal.
You're
Yeah.
cooked. And he has the off-brand. Oh my god. And you got those old-ass AirPods. Oh my god. And oh my god, you got that old-ass phone. Oh my god.
Batman save me. Everybody at the bar.
ISO.
Oh, wait, no.
ISO.
Wait, no. How old are all y'all?
Yes.
Right, like
Wait,
what?
the girl in the middle, 16?
This one?
Yeah.
No. I'm 12, sir.
Oh.
Damn. What about the?
It's the class.
It's... Yo. Banana.
Ray, my friend. Please.
You said Raider?
She's
Wait a
good.
minute, hold on. Shh, you shut up.
Jimmer. Wait.
Me?
Hey, get up.
That's a
Get up so they can hear you.
Get up.
that's a smooth. That's a nigga.
Skip. Damn, she had oh shit. No, she the fire one though.
She was?
Yes.
I wanted to answer.
Skip.
I know, but you know how girls is, bro.
Skip, dude.
Oh, that nigga
Banana.
jacking off to me. I know I look good. I mean, he jacking that. Wait, do I
Did
know
we?
her?
Yeah, bro, that's the one girl from the.
Who is that?
From the what the fuck?
Oh my god, you fun as fuck. Oh shit.
All the way back there.
Yo,
Let's-
give me in, ma. Oh!
That's like
Batum Dow.
that's her name.
Oh, your name is Bahum Dow?
Yo,
Yo.
what's the word, gang?
I'm trying to find out.
Show 'em, Unc. Show 'em, Unc. Show 'em, Unc. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice shit. Nice shit. Yeah, yeah, boys. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ah, y'all take care, bro. Y'all stay blessed.
That's a good soundboard right there.
Clip that shit.
I don't look like RT.
I knew it.
I said you look like Lil RT.
Oh, my God. It's a threesome of niggers.
All of y'all.
All of
Not
us.
the one in the white.
In the pink, right?
How old does
Come
he
on, I
look?
don't want to know why.
How old are y'all?
17.
See, we're not even that far
Who is that?
apart.
Why she look dead?
She's gone, bro.
Did you-
She is
What
gone.
you doing?
I'm waiting on a response.
I wanted them. Sorry. I wanted them.
Hold on. What the fuck
Everybody
is this
at-
Instagram?
Who?
It's like hella shit.
What the shit?
What the shark, nigga?
Who the hell is you? The damn website?
Then it's my answer.
Hold on.
Hey.
Hey, babe, I look good with a hat.
Take that shit off.
Ah. She was showing.
Alright, you gotta ask us.
Alright, truth or dare. Fuck it.
No.
She's. Cut! Yeah! Gotcha. There you go.
What exactly are you screenshotting?
My end. What is it?
Huh?
What's yours?
Oh, shit.
You scared?
He fucked
Oh,
up.
we go back.
He ain't no back, nigga.
Back.